Welcome back. Today I'm out hiking on a long walk. I like to do this often-ish just because, I don't know, I just find it peaceful, and especially while the weather's nice, it's good to make the most of it. Yeah, I find it really easy to get a clear mind about things out here and stuff, and I don't know, just get outside. Sometimes I find that when I go on walks like this, things pop into my head and I'm like, oh, that'd be good to say in a YouTube video. So yeah, that's basically why I'm filming. And what a day. We've been so lucky with the weather recently, like it was really wet for a while. But this past like week or so has been really nice, so I'm trying to get out as much as I can. My main goal for this walk is I've got my film camera in my bag, and yeah, basically I just want to finish the reel of film I've got like 6 photos left, I think. Hopefully I should be able to finish it by the end of this walk and then take it somewhere and get it developed, have a look at the photos I took, see what I did right, what I did wrong. It's going to be a little bit all over the place, but it's all a learning experience, that's all that matters. I think it's a good reflection of the point where I am right now, in the sense that I just need to learn stuff and use things as like a learning experience, not worry too much about whatever I'm doing being like the be all and end all. I think for me, definitely I get caught up in like perfectionism and thinking that whatever I do has to be perfect and that's it, like never to make any mistakes. If you don't make any mistakes, then you'll never improve at what you're doing because you won't know what you're doing wrong. No one's ever going to be perfect, and the people that think they are just can't see their own mistakes. So I know what I'd rather be. I definitely think that's the stage I'm at, especially like finishing uni and not really having an idea of where I want to go with the next sort of few years of my life. Definitely run towards stuff that I find challenging and that I'm more likely to make mistakes at. It's crazy. Alright, I need to change because I think I overdressed for the occasion. It's a little bit too hot. Okay. Usually when I come up here it's super windy, but at the moment it's really like still. It's really nice. I don't know if you can see on the video, but the sea is literally out there, all that way. So lucky to live in a place where like I have both, like the beach and countryside like this.
This is what we're eating. It is a bowl of some sort. There's chicken, beans, I think that's rocket in there, sweet corn, rice obviously, and then some sort of spicy sauce, I don't know. Just that with this. Do you know what I mean? Does it get much better than that? I don't think so.
so relaxing. I'm actually like, I need to do this more often. I don't often like come out on just a hike by myself. Usually it's with people or just like, I don't know, when I'm bored or whatever, but I definitely need to do this more often. I know I kind of probably say about it a lot on here, but even now on this walk, like I've been every so often feeling the need to like check my phone and stuff, and I think it's really bad that like as a generation for sure, but as like a, I think that like it even oh my god, that's a hornet. Is that another one?
Oh. I'm gonna just keep it pushing. My fault, bro.
So as I was saying, I think it's really bad. Like even like now while I'm on this walk, I felt the need to check my phone, and you kind of like, you lose touch for sure, I think, with like the real world and like outside. And the fact that we find like, I've today like found time to come outside to get some fresh air and escape like just being sat on a screen all day, and yet I've still checked my phone and probably even scrolled a little bit, which is really bad. It's really bad. I need to make more of a conscious effort just to stop scrolling. I think that's definitely a problem with the world that we live in right now, is that people are so absorbed by phones and stuff and just what they see on a digital day-to-day basis. I think, yeah, doing stuff like this definitely helps to escape that. And like I said before, it's definitely a privilege to have this for me, to be so close to something like this. I need to 100% like take way more advantage of having this stuff on literally on my doorstep. So I need to get out and about a lot more than I am, I think.